So our King Kohli posted on his Instagram story that completed with Yo Yo test 17.2 done. And I asked you all what exactly is this Yo Yo test and what do you mean by 17.2? And you told me yes sir, please explain it to us. And today's video is only about that. Yes. So what is Yo Yo test and how exactly we measure, like what is 17.2, what is 18.2 or something like that. So guys, about this Yo Yo Intermittent test, it is a variation of beep test. In this test, basically you require a flat surface on which 3 cones or 3 markers are placed at the distance of point A to B at 5 meters, B to C at 20 meters, and this is how the distance is made. And as the sound of beep comes, person has to run from point B to C and come back to point B, and B to A is a recovery phase in which you can just recover for a while, and again when the beep sound comes you have to run. Okay, so now let me just break it to you all for easy understanding. At the starting of the test, a person, athlete, will be standing on the point B. As the beep sound comes, they have to run and reach to point C before the next beep sound comes. After that, they have to come back running to point B again before the next beep sound comes. And after that, some recovery time is given, during which point B to point A you can just walk and come back to point B. Again, as the beep sound comes, you have to run towards the point C before the next beep sound. Again, run towards point B before the next beep sound. And this keeps on going unless and until you are not able to reach point C before the beep sound comes. Once you cannot come back within the beep sounds, then the test is stopped. One warning is given for going from point B to point C if you are not able to reach on time. But from point C to B, there is no warning given. Once you are not able to do it, the test is stopped that time only. And that is how we can score the test at 17.1, 17.2, 3, 4, 5 or whatever you perform. So the question is, why Virat Kohli posted that 17.2 done? Because that is a basic most requirement for Indian cricket players to just pass through for Yo Yo Intermittent test. Now what exactly happens, it starts at the speed of 5, okay, and you have to go, and as I mentioned, you have to complete the task before the beep sound comes. And this continues with speed of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, whatever. So 17, what we are getting, that is a speed in which you are completing your task of going 20 meters and coming back 20 meters. Okay, so 0.2 means how many bouts you are completing. So one time you are going, coming back is considered as one bout. Second time you are going and coming back, considered second time or second bout, and like that total 8 bouts are given. 17.8 you have to cross, and after that the 18 comes. 18 also 8 bouts you have to complete, and then the 19 comes. So that defines the score what you are getting in the Yo Yo Intermittent test, and that is how you get scores of 17.1, 14.1, 14.2. By the way, this is not the only test which is used for the cricketers to find out their fitness level. There are many other tests also which are used for this. And if you want to know more about this, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer as well as make more videos on this fitness testing.